you are seeing here, we will show you all these pictures. Okay, the pictures will be displayed like this. Like this means, so they will without the namings. Okay. Now the picture will be displayed without their names. Now how the questions will be? The questions will be like this. Just a minute, I will show you the sample. Are you seeing now? Okay, this one. Can you see this? Yes. So this is an one example. So what here, there will be a station 1. So like this example, depend upon the stations. You may have 10 stations, 11 stations, or whatever it is. So that will be decided later. Okay. So just this is one station. I am giving one example. So what will give? So we will give identify this structure. Say example, the we are given the trachea. So just so here what will give, the picture will be there. In the picture, so there we will write, we will make a pointer station 1. Above the picture we will write station 1, and next point answer, where we will make a point A. So what you have to identify? You have to identify that structure. Okay, what is that structure? Example, that structure is trachea. Okay, next question, mention its part. See, for the second question answer, you have to read the theory part. You have to read the lectures. What are the parts of trachea? Principal bronchus, primary bronchus, all those things. Yes, it will be like that. So any doubts here? First question will be identification. Okay, most of the time the first question will be identification of the particular picture or any diagram. The second question, or the question B, the question B will be about the theory part. Anything we can ask. So what is the structure? What are the relation of the trachea? Okay, like that. Or if you identify what is the structure, identify the heart. Okay, next point will be mention, the question may change, where the apex of the heart is, apex of this part, or we'll put in a pointer, what is this apex of the heart, so where it is present, mention its location. Yes, first will be the first indication for the part of the body. Yes, part of the body. Second one, you have components or anything related to that particular structure. Okay, you got my point? See here, like this. So you have to remember all these terms. So what it is, we may ask sternum. anything. So, example here what it is there, the sternum. So I will put the mark. So here I will write station 1. So this is station 1 here. Okay, station 1. Okay, then what is, so here I will write here. So here what I will write, so here it is A, and here this is B. So what is your answer? Suppose in the B I will tell, if in the B name the type of bone. So what you will write here? So in A, what you will write? What is your answer in the A? Your answer in the A is sternum. Okay. What is the type here? Name the type of bone. If I mark here, name the type of bone, what you will write? You have to write it is the flat bone. Sternum comes under which group of bone? So it is a flat bone. Now it is clear now? Any answer? I need a reply. Did you understood this? Yes. So same like that. So you have to remember the picture and whatever the written part in the labeling, you have to remember. Okay. Next, here you have to, you should know the all the labels of the heart. So what is this? What is chorda tendineae? What is right atrium? So questions will come like that. So if it is in the right atrium, so what is the right atrium? Identify this point, and then we will ask what are the valves present in this structure or this area. You should write tricuspid. Yeah, you can download this. I will put in the content. You can download this whole PowerPoint. It will be with you. You revise everything, and in the exam we will give the, so whatever we want to ask, the plane. Yeah, this is for only practical exam. The date is not yet announced. Yes, what are the slides are there in this? All these will be for the practicals. Okay. All these slides will come for the practical exam. Anything. So we may choose out of this. What more examples you want? That is what I am telling. So here, just I will label only this without these namings. Just I will give a plain slides. So here, then you have to write, identify this. You have to write coronary artery and then pulmonary vein. So coronary artery, next question will be the coronary artery, it is the branch from which artery, like that. Yeah, the whole pattern of the questions will be same what I showed in the previous one. Station 1 A, B. Station 2 A, B. Station 3 A, B. sections. Okay. Next, so what are these? You have to identify these structures. So without labeling, if I give, so you have to mention the side of these structures. If you write only lungs, you will not get the marks. Okay, you have to write. If I give this picture, only this picture is given, you have to write left lung. Only this picture is given, you have to write right lung. Okay, identify the structure. What you will write? The right lung. And then the second question. The second question, how many fissures are there in this structure? No, it depends on the question. Don't write the parts of lungs. The second question will be, it will be very specific. If you identify this is the right lung, okay. The second question is, how many, name the fissures in this structure. Okay, name the lobes in this structure. What is the medial relations? What are the structures in the root of the structures in the lungs? Like that. The questions will be like this. We can ask anything. And name or coastal relations of the structure. Only you will get identification is the separate, name 4 coastal relations of this structure. You have to mention 4 structure. It is clear now. Now you got my point. Yes. Like that, root of structures in the root of this. Okay. Next. Here. So now it is the, so these are the endocrine glands. So first, what you will do, identify this structure. So what is this? So this you will write the thyroid gland. Okay. Next. And then suppose, so this identify this structure and what is the, at what level it is present. What you will write? You will write the isthmus of the thyroid gland and then at what level it is present. Okay. And then here, what is this? What are these? So these are the suprarenal glands. And then, so we will give only this. Identify this. What is this? A, cortex of the suprarenal gland. And then what is the hormone secreted? This. Okay. Next. Here. So the parts are not this diagram. You can, it is there in your slide. So we will give this picture. So you have to, here you have the parts: head, neck, body, and tail. So according to that, so if the pointer is here, so what you have to write? The question is, you have to identify only this part, the head. Okay. Mention the another part of this structure. So what is the another part of the head? Accessory part. And then next, so if the pointer is here, so what is this? This is the neck of the pancreas. So in the neck of the pancreas, We may ask the anterior relations. What are the anterior relations, or what is the posterior relations? Okay, like this. Next, if the marker is here, if the pointer is here, identify this part, identify the part of this organ. So what you have to write, this is the body of the pancreas. So in the body, what is the name two muscles related to this? Please even don't happen misunderstand. What you are writing, I am not getting you. Doctor, anything you want to write it, please even don't happen misunderstand. Exam will be on the college. Exam is in the college. Okay. It is not yet decided. The dates will announce. Don't worry now. Just I am giving for your preparation. This is for preparation. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 9-1 is Rathwad. So this is for your preparation only. Whenever the exams dates will announce, dates will come, I will announce. Okay. They are the same, head, neck, body and tail. It is not coming here. Here, this same diagram is there in the, it is there in your PPT. What are the parts of pancreas? Head, neck, body and tail. What is the big deal here? It is not coming, Baba. There is some problem. So when you take the PPT in the downloaded PPT, it is there. Okay, this it is not displaying this. No, even though if it is not in the exam, we will not give the written part. Okay, so we will give this like this plain structure only. The marker will be here, or the marker will be here, or the pointer will be here. Okay. Next. So here, what assignment? Yeah, you can also, for the assignment, you can take information from PPT also. Okay. Here, in this diagram, so the plane diagram will be given. Here you have to identify the parts. What are the, like this. So here we will write. So what is A? This is duodenum. So what structure is present in this? Which part of the, which organ is related to this? Okay. What is the jejunum? So what are the structures present in the jejunum? The difference between jejunum and ileum you should know. So according to that, the questions will come. And this is the large intestine. So in the large intestine, you should know the parts of large intestine. So how they are. So what do you mean by cecum? and rest of all the questions will come from the theory part. Okay, and here the plane picture will come. Suppose only this marking is here, only this marking is here. What is your answer? Your answer will be the gallbladder. Okay, and what is question B? The question B will be the parts of the gallbladder. What are the ducts of this structure? What are the ducts? You should write cystic duct, common hepatic duct, common bile duct. So these are the ducts of the gallbladder. Then the pancreas. So if you give this pancreas, what duct is present? You should write pancreatic duct. And then if it is the liver, so identify the structure. What you will identify? You will identify the liver. Okay. How the liver is divided by falciform ligament, all the three ligaments you should remember. Okay. And then the inferior relations of the liver. What are the structures? Mention 4 inferior structure related to this organ. You should write what are the structures related to the liver. You got my point? Here. Just now we finished the brain. So identify this cerebellum. Okay. How these, what is the connection between this? How it is connected? The cerebellum is connected by corpus callosum. So this one. This is the structure. This structure is called corpus callosum. Okay. Next. So if you give only this, what is this? What you will write? Pituitary glands. Name 4 hormones secreted by this. Okay. Or what is its? Yeah, it is. These are the specimens which we are taken from the dental college. Okay. These are the models which are available in the dentistry. So we are taken photograph from the dentistry college. Okay. Next. So like in the pituitary gland, where it is located, how it is connected to the thalamus, or then in the medulla. Okay. In the medulla, here you have to remember the ventral relations and the dorsal relations. Again in the pons, the ventral relations and the dorsal relations. Like this the questions will come. Now you got the idea. there there is no alternative for this. No alternative. Now all these slides for your preparation for practical exams. Okay. There is no alternative for this. Now if I give only pictures, how you will identify? You should know the part. Yes. So what is this? This is cerebrum and cerebellum. Okay. See here. So how that is. So remember all these parts. Yes, it is lot, and these are the same questions from many years. So whenever we take these slides, every students they will tell the lot, but these are the things we are taking from so many years. There is nothing new for only you people. Questions maybe uh, 10 to 15 questions. Either 10 to 15 questions will be there, or sometimes it may less also. That's what. Regarding exams, everything will be updated before. That's what I'm telling. 10 to 15 questions. That marks distribution will be everything we will announce. Don't be hurry. Nothing. Don't get too much confusion. Everything will be announced prior your notice and prior for your preparation. And this picture, remember all these parts and questions will be according to that. Okay. And here, this is not yet over. Just the picture, you will give the picture. Here you have to identify the right kidney and the left kidney. What are the structures related? So this is the anterior relations. And then there are the anterior relations of the kidney are separate from right and left kidney. Okay. Whereas the posterior relations of the both the kidney, it is same. So when you take the urinary system, or that time you will read. Okay. And here, what are the internal structures of the kidney? So you have to practice all these. You have to remember all these labelings. And then, so these are the parts of urinary reproductive system in the male and female. So this is the female reproductive system, where you are seeing the uterus, ovaries and fallopian tube. And then each and everything you have to write. So what are the parts of fallopian tube? What is fallopian tube? And what are the parts of the uterus? That again, when you finish these classes, you will remember the things. So for everything, first question will be the identification, and second questions will be from the lecture part regarding the concerned structure. Okay. This is the male reproductive system, where you are seeing the testes, epididymis. Everything will be taken in the lecture class. Only thing, by taking these slides, you have to remember the parts. Just remember the labelings. What are these labelings and where they are present? So this is the male reproductive system. Here, this is the prostate gland. This is urinary bladder. This is the female one. Here you are seeing the uterus. This is the urinary bladder here, and this part is the uterus. Again, it's the same. So these are the bones. Okay. So any doubts in this? Anything you want to clarify? Yeah, bones also same. So we will give list the appendicular skeleton, list the bones of axial skeleton, like that. What last slide? Yeah, these are the name the sino joints. Why you die? This is what happens. This is very less compared to, this is very less. See, just I will tell, we are doing all whatever this introductory lectures are there, no? So in the medical college, we are having each one module running by these names. So there is a module called CNS module. Okay. GIT module itself. Musculoskeletal module is there. By combining the muscular system and the skeletal system. Okay. So here we are giving everything is very concise. Yeah, you should know all these names. But your boys, don't die us. Yes. You all are my boys. See, so one thing I will tell you, when you see now you are hearing everything. Now it looks very big. If you study daily, so everything will become very easy. What do you want in the slide 18? Yeah, just all these are the bones. They are the bones of the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. That's all. See, that's what. When you see the picture and remembering all these things, you will get confused. When you differentiate names of the axial skeleton, names of the appendicular skeleton, then it will become very simple. Okay. So any other clarifications? Okay. So shall we close the session? Yeah, well, I will give these slides. Most probably I have already uploaded, I think. I think it is there in the content. If it is here in this section, it's not there. Mostly in the theory section I have did. Okay. So if it is the last time for the assignment, no, the last I already announced the last date for the assignment is on Monday, 16th. Okay. So I have announced in the blackboard. The last date for the assignment is on Monday, 16th. Okay then.